All right, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Dad Does, and today, Dad does apocalypse preparation. That's what we're doing. So, in preparation for this apocalypse, what we have first is the food saver. Gonna unbox this and let you see what we got going on. We got quite a bit of meat and ready for our freezer, but we want to make sure that we properly store it. Here's the bags. All right, here we go with this food saver, the #1 vacuum sealing system. Right, it was like $140 at Costco. Keeps food fresh up to 5 times longer. You know, black folks to throw it in a Ziploc bag, keep it in the freezer 2 years. That's what it looked like with an ordinary storage bag. That's what it looked like with your Glad. And there's the vacuum saver food seal bag. But that, I don't know. I saw my man keep it frozen in the vacuum bag for 30 days and it was still darker than that. But all right, so we got it all open, right? Owner's manual, quick start guide. This you can register your product. Get a nice little bag cutter if you let them spam your email. Extra bags as well. You have the ready-made bags, but right now what comes in it is the roll, right? So then you just get the roll, you pull it out to the strip just above the cutter, where the cutter's at. Close it down, right? Like so. You see it poking through. That's right at the cutter. Take it here, turn it to on. Come over here and hit the seal. Now, some people like the bags better, but the bags you already have, whatever size it's gonna be. That's what you're working with. But it's already sealed on one end, and depending on what you're working with, you know what I'm saying, and it's already labeled. That's pretty slick. So you can make sure you got your dates and everything together. So you got to make sure you got enough so you're not wasting the bag. The bag can work, for, I got chicken quarters. So, I could probably put 5 of the quarters in here and just use the bag that's already done. Good to have options, you know what I'm saying? So now the light went off, lets you know it's done. Come over here, click it to the open position, open it back up, and bam. Now you see? It's sealed, so now you're ready to pull it out however big you need it to be, and cut it, fill it, and then put it back and seal it. All right, so what we got right here is about 20 pounds of chicken. We got some beautiful Amish chickens from the Eastern market. So what we're about to do is clean them off, pat them dry, and put them in the food saver bags so they can go into frozen food storage. Shout out to Cheech's Chicken down at the Eastern Market. My opinion, those are the best chickens in Detroit. I'm pretty sure they got better chicken somewhere, but that's just my preference. All right, now check this out. I want to show you something. This is something most people not gonna do. If you go get chicken from the restaurant, next time you go, if you've never paid attention to it, you're gonna notice you got to clean all that out, right? You see what that is right there? That is the chicken butt. And I know some of y'all didn't think about it, and probably just chowed down on it. But you see, that's the butt. So what do you think that stuff is right there? But see, we gonna clean all that out, cut this off, and have a nice, beautiful chicken quarter ready to go into our bag. All we do? Yep. Ooh. Not hot water. I want to cook the chicken. Get it down low so it won't splash. Right? And you gonna put all that out. Clean all that out, man. That's what it should look like. It should be an empty cavity. Get all that poop out, and then cut that off. All right, here we go. Got the chickens all nice and clean, right? And what I'm gonna do before I touch them, because I wash my hands and everything, I'm gonna cut my bag. I'm gonna try not to waste anything, so I'm gonna cut it. This is 5 pieces. I'm gonna cut it right about. I'm gonna cut it right about there. And if I got more room, maybe if I think it's gonna waste, you know, then I'll clean some more chicken and put it in there. But I did 5 because it's 5 of us, and that'll be 1 meal. Cut it there, bam, right? Open it back up. The other end was already sealed, so I'm gonna fill the bag up, and then roll this out the way. Put it in here, and we're gonna use the vac seal button, suck all the air out, and I'll be back in 1 second. But actually, I'm gonna need to make the bags a little bit bigger, so I was only able to put 3 in there. And so we get it positioned. Got a removable drip tray, so we want to get it lined up. You know, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so I'll be right back. All right, got the removable drip tray in there to suck out any of the juices and whatnot. So now we're gonna hit. Turn it to the on position. Right, bam, vacuum seal, and there we go. I keep doing it. Now it's out, bam, and it's sealed. Now that's ready to go in the freezer.